So first thing you're going to do is remove those screws on both sides here. Okay, same thing here. Okay, the next thing you want to do is remove this part right here. So you're going to go and grab on the side. You're going to unsnap slightly. Okay, so you can see it's like that. It's just the frame, and then you're going to remove the frame slowly. Okay, so we got the frame out. Now there is 4 little screws on each corner. You're going to need a small screwdriver right like this. Okay, so now the screen should be, you're able to remove the screen like that. You're gonna see the connection. This one is a 40 pin, so if you're gonna buy a new screen, you need to check what kind of connection you have. You're gonna remove the plastic like that very slowly, and then I'll just put the camera here again. And then slowly remove the connector. Okay, so that's the old screen. That's the new screen I got. There is a protection here. You can remove it a bit later. So I'm going to install it right now, and then I'll remove the plastic right after. First thing, we're going to connect the 40 pins. Gently put it back in position. Put back the screws, and those are small screws, so okay, so when this is done, you can remove the plastic protection. Okay, so we're ready to put back the frame, plastic frame, right back where it was. Gonna go gently. switch back to this one. We're going to put the screw back. And then you might have those little stickers like that. You're going to put them right back